What? What? If you just won't quit, then ultimately you will get to your business goals. What is the best way to create products online? You know what's great about the internet is that you can have a product online in the next 20 minutes, depending on what kind of product you want. The kinds of products that I typically make for sale online are called information products, info products. So they are everything from ebooks to videos like I'm doing right now, to courses, to snippets of videos that I sell sometimes in bundles, combining different kinds of topics. So there really are no limits to what you can create. I will give you my quick product creation blueprint. What I typically do when I want to create a product is I will do what I'm doing right now is I will get face-to-face with video and I will create the product just by talking to the camera. Sometimes I'll have an agenda, sometimes I'll have a blueprint or an outline, and I'll look at my questions. I go, okay, I'll answer that question. And I'll do that for maybe 20 or 30 minutes. And then at the end of that 30 minutes or that time period, I've created a product around that topic. And now I can sell that as videos. I can extract the audio and sell it as audios. I can have the video transcribed and I can make it an ebook. That's my product creation blueprint right there. I just gave it to you. So start with video, or if you don't like being on camera, start with audio, and then just repurpose that content so that you've taken one piece of content and turned it into 1 to 5 to 2 to 10 pieces of content, literally just by breaking it down and repurposing it. So that's how I create products online, and then you can sell those from anything from $7 to for like an MP3 all the way up to $1,000 for a full course on that particular topic. There are no limits. Again, 20 years ago I would have said maybe you have some barriers to success. In 2016, I have to tell you, there are no excuses. So just get busy, don't judge yourself, just turn on your camera, start talking, start creating.